keep going.
Now push with the right one and lift the left. Push.
Come, you help him.
I can't do it.
You can do it. Now push with the left.
I want to get my bike up there.
You want to get on the flat ground? Let's get on the flat ground. Okay.
Yeah, but
Where's your helmet?
Oh, I'll get it.
I can't wait, Mama, let you get on this.
it's in the garage.
Mama's getting it. Come on.
I don't have a helmet. I think this is not my house.
That's a cool bike, though.
Got away to the other one, not that one, not the corner, right by the other one.
Wow.
Where are you going? Nowhere?
Here, Tristan, before you get on.
Get your helmet on,
Oh, you got.
Car's open.
I got something else. Is that
Okay.
PC?
Is the seat straight, huh?
I don't know. I got a game.
Get on there.
Watch out.
Push
Let
with
him.
that. There you go. Now lift your right leg. Lift your right. Push with it. Push your right leg. Lift your
Good.
left leg. Now push your left leg.
Good.
All right, dude.
Yeah.
You're doing it.
Good job.
But can you go more faster? Yeah. I'll see you can go more faster. You help me get more faster?
Well, you got to pump. You got to pump with your legs to make it go more faster.
How? Like me, look.
Like him. See, watch him.
Look.
You just gotta keep your legs going, okay?
Yeah?
You gotta keep your legs going. You're doing good.
Can I go him?
Now you can go a little ways, but not too far. All right.
Is that too far?
All right, get on.
He goes too far.
Yeah, he's bigger than you.
I'm not bigger.
You're not bigger yet. All right. You know how to do it. Pedal with your, push with your right. Now push with your left. And push with your right. And push with your left. And push with your right. And push with your left. Just keep doing it. There you go. See, you're going more faster. Look at that. You're getting good there, buddy. Good job. Keep going. Now, that's how you stop. Now push with your left. Then push with your right. Then push with your left. Then push with your right. Push with your left. Push with your right. Push with your left. Push. Yes, good job. You're running.
Tony's looking at the fire truck. I think he wants an
Can
upgrade.
we out to see this hard road?
Get you off this hard road. Let's turn around, okay? Let's try and back this up. All right. Good. Push with your right. Push with your left. Push with your right. Left. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. There you go.
This is over.
Whoop.
Hey, Henny, he almost fall down. Ow! Ow, see?
Keep your helmet on, Tristan.
Just
have a bike.
He needs someone who pads on so we can ride a scooter.
I know. They're different. They don't do that. But you do. That's a good thing, right? And you won't break anything. Okay?
All right. You want to get back on and ride it again?
And I won't break my arm, and I won't break my arm, and I won't break my leg.
All right, doctor.
Yeah, when you do that, then you can play doctor.
Push with your right and push with your left and push with your right. You're doing good. There you go.
You think he's ready to take the training wheels off?
Not yet. Uh-oh. He's not going to be able to stop. He's going to run into something.
No, he turned. You did good.
Cool.
He turned. Just missed your car.
Gun me!
He just can't get up the hill. Don't go in. That's okay. Come on, Tristan.
Can't practice it.
Your bike has to practice. Okay, there you go.
That little dude is my friend.
Whoop.
It's okay. Use this foot. Nope. Okay, you made it. Just take your time. There you go.
I can make it through here.
Go ahead. Go on. Good job.
Can I go like over there like
No,
that?
Just
See? See? Two cars on this side. Those two cars right
yeah. Good job. Watch out, watch out. Here it comes, watch out.
Oh.
You're okay at work. You're okay. Let's see. Can you bend it? Was it hurt? You're fine. You didn't take any skin off. It's not even bleeding. Sorry.
You are really good. You did a good job, sweetie.
You're good.
You want to put all your pads on?
Yeah.
Can you take your arm and your
Yeah,
wrist?
he's fine.
There you
And you can